In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the hidden Windows 11 settings you must turn off ASAP to stop ads instantly. Windows 11 can feel a bit cluttered with suggestions, tips, and what are essentially advertisements built right into the system. These can appear in the Start menu, on the lock screen, in notifications, and even inside some system apps. The good news is, you can regain a cleaner, more private experience by turning off a handful of specific settings. I'll walk you through them step by step, and you can follow along on your own PC. Let's start by opening the Settings app. Click the Start button, then click the gear icon if you see it, or simply type Settings and press Enter. Once Settings is open, we'll first deal with advertising and tracking options that affect the whole system. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Here, scroll down until you find a section related to general privacy options. Inside, you'll see toggles that allow apps to show you personalized ads using your advertising ID, and options that let Windows track how you use the device to offer suggestions. Turn these toggles off. Doing this reduces targeted ads and stops Windows from using your activity to generate recommendations you probably don't need. Next, stay in Privacy and Security, and look for options related to diagnostics and feedback. Here, turn off any additional optional diagnostic data if it's enabled. Also, look for settings that allow tips and suggestions based on how you use Windows. Disable those as well. This helps cut down on pop-ups and banners suggesting apps or features you never asked for. Now, let's remove promotional content from the Start menu. On the left, click Personalization. Then select Start. In this section, you may see options like Show recommendations for tips, app promos, and more. Turn that off. This will stop suggested apps and promoted items from appearing in your Start menu, giving you a cleaner list of just the apps you actually use. While we're in Personalization, click on Lock Screen. If your lock screen is set to show fun facts, tips, or occasional promotions, change it to a more neutral option, such as a picture, and disable any setting that mentions suggestions or sponsored content. This keeps ads off your lock screen. Finally, you may also want to review notification settings. Go back to System, then choose Notifications. Turn off any suggestions or promotional notifications from Windows that are labeled as tips or recommendations. Once you've made these changes, your Windows 11 experience should feel noticeably quieter, cleaner, and more focused on what you actually care about, without all the extra ads and suggestions getting in the way.